in, we build a lab, and then we have a classroom, and it's part of the Foundry Way Learning Center, where we've had 8 courses come through, 8 people per course. With the course, we're taking it from the basics of starting with whether it's a secondary aluminum or a primary aluminum, all the way through the process until you get into the casting defects. Right, so you got the spectrographic analysis that'll tell us the chemistry on a sample disc like this. You know, we can make a disc, machine it down, burn it, and it gives the chemical analysis. We've got the Brinell hardness that can push into a piece of aluminum to tell you how hard it is. We've got the tensile testing to do a pull on a tensile bar. In the background here, we've got polishing, and then we have the microscope, and then we've got another microscope that, if Brad wants to do a report, he can take a picture and include that into his report and send out to customers.
And then below us is a machine shop that Dave has to prepare the samples for all this equipment.
Right. So we, whether it's turning a lathe to make buttons or a tensile bar, we've got a small crucible that we can make discs and pour it into a permanent mold. We've got a metallurgical saw, again, to do precise cuts on a part like this to mount it. And we've got the die penetrant that is quite useful, that we can dip parts and put it under a black light and see where you've got a high level of porosity to make an adjustment with Tibor or strontium. It's truly a hands-on type of class where we'll pick up parts, or we encourage people to bring defective parts with them, so we could do some analysis while they're here, and then we'll discuss it among the group.
Porosity Solutions, what do they do?
So Brad will go out in the field. Either he'll take the time to go visit a customer and spend time on the shop floor, and his strong suit is metal preparation, to making sure the metal's in spec and it's the right temperature and low porosity and all that before you cast the parts. And so they offer that service. They'll either go to a customer's location, or that's why we have the the Foundry courses here.